Hello, ma'am. I am Jaime Jane Vibaya, and these are the psychological tests that I have contemplated on.
These are the types of psychological assessment tests that I have chosen. The first one is the visual reasoning test. The second one is the abstract reasoning test. The third one is the 16 personality test. The fourth is Kaufman test of educational achievement. And the last but not the least is the Woodcock-Johnson test of cognitive abilities. So I choose this visual reasoning test assessment because it measures fluid intelligence. No, it's very important since here we do measures people's people's ability to quick identify patterns and logical rules. Also, it's all about solving logical reason questions by representing the given questions in graphical form. So, ito yung mga katulad ng puzzles and other logical games. The second one is the abstract reasoning test. So, what is abstract reasoning test? This is designed to measure an individual ability to perceive and think clearly. They can answer this test based on their observation. When they see the image, as they observe, they can answer the question clearly. The third one that I've chosen is the personality or 16 personality factors. So the first one is the warmth, second one is reasoning, third one is emotional stability, fourth is dominance, fifth is the liveliness, sixth is rule consciousness, seventh social boldness, eighth sensitivity, nine rather is vigilance, 10 abstractedness, 11th is the privateness, 12 is apprehension, 13 is the openness to change, 14th is self-reliance, 15 perfectionism, and last but not the least is the tension. So this 16 PF holds significant importance in the fields of psychology and organizational development. It provides a comprehensive assessment of an individual's personality traits, offering valuable insights into behavior, motivation, interpersonal dynamics. The fourth psychological test that I have chosen is the Kaufman test of educational achievement. It is an educational tool for children measuring such areas as math, reading, written language, and oral language in order to know the capacity or the ability of the children in learning these things. Woodcock-Johnson test of cognitive abilities means assess both academic achievement, what children have learned in school, and cognitive development. They are sometimes paired with an intelligence test to qualify children for gifted and talented programs. Cognitive ability tests assess abilities involved in thinking, for example, reasoning, perception, memory, verbal, and mathematical abilities, and problem solving. Such tests pose questions designed to estimate applicants' potential to use mental processes to solve work-related problems or to acquire new job knowledge.